In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a custom domain in Vercel so your project can run on your own branded URL instead of the default one. We'll go step by step through connecting the domain inside Vercel, then updating your DNS settings with your domain provider. By the end, your site should be reachable at your own custom address. Let's start inside your Vercel project. Make sure you're logged into your Vercel account and you've already deployed the project you want to use. From your project dashboard, look for the settings area. Once you're in the project settings, find the section labeled domains. This is where you connect any custom domains you want that project to use. In the domain section, you'll see a field where you can enter your domain, type in the domain you've purchased from your registrar, like example.com or www.example.com, depending on what you want to use. After typing it in, click the Add button. Vercel will register that domain against your project and show you the DNS configuration it expects. At this point, the domain is connected on Vercel's side, but it won't actually work until you update your DNS records with your domain provider. Now let's move over to your domain registrar. This is the service where you bought your domain, such as GoDaddy, Namecheap, or any similar provider. Log in there, go to the management page for your domain and look for something like DNS settings, DNS management, or zone editor. Every provider names it a little differently, but you're looking for the page where you can add or edit DNS records. You'll be adding records based on whether you're setting up the root domain like example.com or a subdomain like www.example.com. If you want your root domain to point to Vercel, you'll add an A record. Set the host or name field to the root symbol, often written as the @ sign. Then, for the value or points to field, enter the IP address 76.76.21.21. Leave the record type as A and save your changes. This tells the internet that when someone visits your root domain, it should direct them to Vercel's servers. If you also want to use a www version, or you're only using www, you'll add a CNAME record instead. In your DNS settings, create a new record and choose CNAME as the type. Set the host or name field to www, and for the value or target field, enter CNAME verceldns.com. Save that record as well. This creates an alias so that www on your domain points directly to Vercel's managed domain routing. After saving your DNS changes, keep in mind that DNS propagation can take some time. Often it's just a few minutes, but in some cases it can take up to an hour or more depending on your registrar's settings. You can usually go back to the domains section in your Vercel project to check the verification status. Once Vercel detects the correct DNS records, it will show that your domain is active and properly configured. That's all you need to do. Add your domain inside Vercel, then update your DNS with either an A record for the root domain, a CNAME for the www subdomain, or both if you want them to work together. After propagation finishes, your Vercel project will be live on your custom domain.